is Margaret Anthony. I'm from Master of Learning Sciences Cohort 17. I'm here to present our team project that we did for this semester. So we create a game board for the learning of physics, targeting on Form 5 students with the topic being lights and optics, hence the name Flash. So here are the game props that we designed for the gameplay. We have the main game board, the game cards, gameplay brochures, and also power-ups, name tag, which I will be explaining later. And here is our game board printed on synthetic poster. And the red tiles are meant for concept questions, green one for application questions, and the blue ones for problem solving questions. And here are all the game cards and the power-up name tags that are color-coded and given to each group of the students. So to play this game, here are the additional props required that will assist during the answering sessions, right? This game, for the game rule, this game can be played up to 5 people in a group who gets to choose their role with the power-up name tags given. So this is a teacher control game whereby he or she get to choose the question based on the color tile they land on. So they start off on the red tile with a concept questions, and based on their answers and power-up, the group representative will determine how far they advance during the game. So each power-up can only appear once per round of the game and can be played as many rounds as possible as the time permits. So each character and role have their own power-ups. And divided into 2 types. So for the advantages, we have Einstein, Galileo, and Faraday that allow them to advance a few steps ahead or make the other group move backward. And for the lifeline, we have Edison and Newton, where allow the player to refer to the notes and get a hint from the teacher, right? So these are the power-ups that we have. So we purposely use famous fathers of physics to make it more relatable to our topic. Now, this is the gameplay of Flash. So when the teacher confirms the character to be that's sent by the group, so everything will answer the same questions. So movement of each group depends on their ability to answer each questions and the power up of the character sent for that question. So questions which are answered correctly and do not have movement power up will allow players to advance 1 step forward. So each box will have a different color that is related to certain category, and the leading group will determine which category to be questioned next, based on the color of the box they land on. So the team that reach the ends, the board soonest will be the winner. And these are some of the pictures during the gameplay executions. I will be playing a very short clip during the live gameplay. Right. So like I mentioned just now, this game is teacher control. So the game board are placed on the whiteboard there where everyone can view it, and the representative will be sitting in the front. And when the teacher read out the questions, they will start to answer during the time given. So they are allowed to discuss with the group member also. And for a concept question, they have 1 minute. Problem solving have 3 minutes, and calculation have 2 minutes times to answer. Right, and at the end of the executions of the gameplay, we obtain the feedback from the student and themselves. So in general, they all agree that the valuable aspect of this activity is the importance of team collaborations. The other two mainly for the content, fun and interesting aspect of the game. So that's about it for my team. Thank you everyone for your attentions.
So greetings everyone. My name is Shamin and I will be representing Team B for this program. So we would like to share about our program, which is called Empathy in Science. To introduce our team, we have Cikgu Ahmad, Cikgu Lidiana, Cikgu Rosini, Cikgu Nolin, Sufi, Ashan, and Gary in our team. And we are very glad that we had done our best for this project. So our mission for this project is to give exposure of CSCL learning to the college vocational lecturers in Matang, and we want to provide educational support to enhance the students in the college and to increase the quality of learning and facilitation among the Matang Science lecturers, KV Matang Science students, and to create a learning environment that are suitable for the students. So before the program, we had used Mural as one of our platform to communicate the ideas, and you can see a lot of brainstorming happen during the process. And another thing we will be doing is we had done the prototyping. We create various kinds of games during the process, and we have been doing some preparation. As you can see, we had doing the cards, we had prepared the materials for the program. So I will be explaining more on our games. So for this program, we have 3, and I will be introducing the first one. So this first one will be the nutritional board. So this nutritional board will be a snake and ladder game where we encourage the students to roll the dice, and they would answer according to the colors given. As you can see from here, the layout of the board, on your left, there's like a colors that you can see from there. And when the student touch the card, they will need to go and pick the color card that is according to the board, and they answer the respectively toward the answer given. And next will be the digital game, which made by Sufi. He used HTML language to make the game. As you can see from here, the next slide, there are 2 characters. One is a skinny one, and one is a bit plump. So the students are required to choose the right path for them in order to achieve a healthy lifestyle. And next, this is the last game during the program. So this is called An Apple a Day Keeps the Doctor Away, which was made by Nolin. So I will be introducing through the video. As you can see on your left, it is like a Christmas box, you know, since Christmas coming, and you see it's like there are a lot of questions there. You will see from here there's like first question will be at the first box, and then the second question will be at the second box, which means it is been layered into a few layers. And once the student have finished answering, and they have to they get a reward, so that day we gave them an apple for the box in the boxes. Yeah. So that time we also conducted the pre-test and post-test. So pre-test, in this test, we have about 30 students. So in the beginning of the test, the average score for the pre-test was 11. However, when we had conducted the program, there will be about 16. You know, there's an increase of 5 marks during the post-test, and it shows a great success for our program. Yeah, that's all from us. Thank you.